LUNCwhales. Wow. LUNCwhales now have burned 42,472,000 coins of Terra Classic. That is about 0.1% of Luna total burn. LUNCwhales. Now, this actually happened in a 14 transaction. They're able to burn this amount in a 14 transaction. For me, I believe LUNCwhales will continue to burn, and I believe that even though it has been long they burn, but having coins like LUNCwhales burning Terra Classic is amazing. At least of almost 43 million coins of Terra Classic have been destroyed by LUNCwhales. In fact, they are the 14th highest Terra Classic burner. LUNCwhales. Now, last month, of course, whales. I'm not talking about burning the whales burner. I'm talking about whales plan to invest millions of dollars into Terra Classic, and they also promise to support Terra Classic coin to any level. Though since then they are yet to invest heavily on Terra Classic. We are still waiting. If we can get huge investment from whales, definitely it will help Terra Classic to really grow. Now, LUNCwhales also have been able to burn 42.4 million coins of Terra Classic. I believe if we can get more whales burning, it will help Terra Classic more. So, being ranked the 14th Terra Classic highest burner is not easy. Over hundreds of Terra Classic burner. Burning 42.4 million coins is a lot of money. If you want to convert this to money, you see this is a huge amount of money. So I'm happy that Terra Classic, at least even the top 5 Terra Classic burner recently, they have been burning huge coin. But though in the past 30 days, the burn of Terra Classic have really dropped. Yes, it has really dropped. But let's hope for LUNCwhales to keep on burning more coins. One thing I love about whales that plan to invest heavily, they have been buying so many coins, including Shiba Inu. In fact, Shiba Inu is one of the top coins whales love so much. They have invested millions of dollars on whales. At the time, they also have interest on Shiba Doge, which led to them investing over $6.9 million on Shiba Doge. So they are also invested in so many crypto coins and so many small cap coins. So for me, I think whales, they are one of the big actors in crypto industry. Yes, they are one of the biggest actors in crypto industry. They can influence the price of a crypto coin to move up or down, and I believe that whales to keep on supporting most coins. So let's hope for them to at least have interest on Luna. If they have interest on Luna is going to burn a lot of coins. But for now, at least we are happy that LUNCwhales have now burned a total of 42.4 million coins of Terra Classic LUNC. Once again, remember this on the financial advice. Thank you for stopping by.